Good evening, folks, from the Henderson Subdivision. We're located at Caskey Church Road in Hopkinsville, Kentucky. We have CSXT P001-18, the OCS train, headed north on the Henderson Subdivision with CSXT 1, 2, and 3 leading the way. There's a total of 12 coaches, one a dome car, and all the other passenger cars. And they have been flying. They had a brief stop down at Caskey Yards where the VIPs got off and toured the facility there. And now they're back on board the train, and you can see the headlight way down the way. But I wanted to get in one video today. I've been chasing this since about 2:30 or 3. My first catch was down at Red River Bridge, just north of Adams, Tennessee. And then I caught him here at Caskey, and now I decided to do this live video since we're running out of light here. From what I'm told, this train is headed to Chicago. And I'll keep quiet and we'll listen and watch the sides and sights of the train. There you go, folks. I'm going to cut this video short so I can try to get ahead of it and maybe get one more shot of the train with the video. If you happen to be at trackside today, stay safe as always and have a blessed day.